Good morning. Welcome to the KSE Elementary Newscast.
Today is Monday, February 14, 2022.
Please stand and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag, to the United States of America, to America, and the republic for which it stands, one nation, and under God, indivisible, of liberty and justice for all. Will you remain standing for a moment of silence?
All right, we have a few announcements today. Teachers, please make sure you post your attendance. Also, teachers, please make sure you are syncing your grades in PowerSchool. Late duty, today we have Miss Overstreet. Tomorrow we have Miss Heichman. Wednesday, Cunningham. Thursday, Clark. And Friday, we have Miss Battaglia. Important dates. Wednesday, February 16th, we have Course of Study PD during Extended PE. Monday, February 21st, we have faculty meeting. February 25th, which is going to be a Friday, students may wear jeans and a school-appropriate Mardi Gras colored t-shirt for a $2 donation to the United Way campaign. And February 28th through March 2nd, we have no school for Mardi Gras break.
Important dates. February, African American History Month. February 17th, Random Acts of Kindness Day. February 21 to 25, Public Schools Week. February 23, School Bus Drivers Appreciation Day.
Okay, for February, we have Black History Month, and we have been highlighting some famous African Americans all this month so far. Some of our great students have been writing biographies for us to share on the morning announcements. Today, we have some information about Rebecca Lee Crumpler. This has been written and will be read by Brooklyn Crawford from Miss Arch's class. So, here is some great information about Rebecca Lee Crumpler.
Rebecca Lee Crumpler, born as Rebecca Davis, was an American physician, nurse, and author after studying at the New England Female Medicine College. In 1864, she became the first African American woman to become a doctor of medicine in the United States. Rebecca Lee Crumpler challenged the prejudice that prevented African Americans from pursuing careers in medicine to become the first African American woman in the United States.
Great job, Brooklyn, and that was great information about Rebecca Lee Crumpler. All right, we want to congratulate our iReady Stars of the Week, the top class with the highest percent of students with 30 minutes or more of engaged time. In K1, we have Miss Duberg's class for 95%. 2-3, we have Miss Granger's class at 100%. And 4-5, we have Miss Moore at 100%. The top students with the most lessons class. In K1, we have Kamaya Dean with 12 lessons in Miss Clark's class. 2-3, we have Justin Trong with 15 lessons in Miss Curd's class. And in grades 4 and 5, we have Sterling Jones, 9 lessons in Miss Moore's class. Way to go to all those classes and to all those students. I do know that we had a couple of classes that were super close. It was a close runoff there at the end. So lots of iReady going on. Way to go. Also, lots of rate waggle going on. So way to go to all the classes for that too. We are also still looking for our David puppet or David stuffed animal from the library. He is still missing. So please be out on the lookout for David and help him get back home to the library. That is all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.